Show me how to do that trick, the one that makes me scream, she says, one that makes me laugh, she says, and threw her arms around my neck. Show me how to do it, and I promise that I'll run away with you. I'll run away with you. The one that makes me scream, she said, the one that makes me laugh, she said, threw her arms around my neck. Show me how to do it, and I promise that I'll run away with you. I'll run away with
We're gonna put
You used to get it in your fishnets, now you only get it in your night dress. Discard all the naughty nights for niceness, landed in a very common crisis. Everything's in order in a black hole. Nothing seems to really use my Glasgow. A Bloody Mary's like a little Tabasco. Remember when you used to be a rascal? All the boys are slack. The best you ever had, the best you ever had is just a memory and those dreams. But as daft as they seem, my love, when you dream them all. Flicking through a little book of sexy tips. Remember when the boys were on electric, and now when she told me she's gonna get it, I'm guessing that she'd rather just forget it. Clinging till I'm getting so close. She wasn't going, but she went still. Like just a little speech.
I bet it comes out funny.
Oh, the boys are slack.
the best you've ever had, best you've ever had is
And I
just
forgot the words, so please tell me what they are. I won't go that far if you just tell me, please.
is my aeroplane. Pleasure spiked with pain.
That motherfucker's always spiked with pain.
They're fucking like bitch.
Wow.
Take it away. Well, no bum is all I wrote. Go fuck me where I lay. Just one note can make me choke. One note that's not a lie. Just one note can cut my throat. One note can make me die. I like music spiked with pain, and music is my aeroplane. It's my aeroplane. Somber sweet and sour Jane, and music is my aeroplane. It's my aeroplane.
Pleasure spiked with pain.
That motherfucker's always spiked with pain. Oh yeah, say that. My aeroplane. Out of a whole piece of A4 paper. It's going down in the South Atlantic. Don't worry, it's just lost. Sorry, Tone. So who's that girl?
Funny. It'll be funny. It will be funny.
Ready?
We'll be surprised what we can do on
And I've seen glowing man Tony Barton. Right, Tony Barton.
Hello. Yes, we'll pick one.
Fuck you. He'll be alright 'cause he's a scumbag, don't you know?
Don't you know he's a wanker too?
He's Tony Barton.
So he's a scumbag, don't you know?
What is fun? No, I can't do that. I have an idea then about something.